Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to get access Sora AI beta test. So if you want to get access the Sora AI beta test, what you have to do, first of all, you have to just type Sora AI. Okay, Sora AI in your Google Chrome or whichever browser you are using right now. Okay, now here you will see Sora AI Sora AI. First result is Sora AI. Just click on it and you have to scroll down, and here you will see 9 example uh, about Sora AI. So this is a you have to write a prompt in the Sora AI like a stylish woman walked down the Tokyo street filled with neon and glowing neon animated city. Okay, like this, and the video will be generated like this. Okay, and you can also see this one and this one. This all these are generated by Sora AI. So if you want to get the beta testing, you have to go back again, and here you will see how to access Sora. Okay, now click on it, and here you will see Sora is available to red teamers to assess critical area for harm or risk, and also number of visual artists, designer and filmmaker to gain the feedback on how to advance the model to be most powerful helpful creative professionals. Okay, now as you know, this is not available for everyone. You can use the alternative of this Sora AI. It is Leonardo AI. Okay, Leonardo AI. Now